Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Norman. Have some messy weather that's going to be moving into the area tonight and lingering into Thursday morning. Some of that precipitation could be in the form of sleet and snow, so we want to talk really quickly about that this afternoon. This briefing was recorded around 2 o'clock. The good news is we're expecting some significant precipitation across most of central western Oklahoma and western North Texas. The bad news is some of that will fall in the form of sleet and snow, possibly producing some travel problems as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Kind of an active weather pattern that we're in. If we look early into next week, we'll see another chance of showers and thunderstorms, maybe some wintry precipitation Sunday into Monday. But right now we're focusing on Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday morning for this outlook. Great news again with this storm system is it looks like it's got plenty of moisture and it's going to bring us some beneficial rainfall and precipitation across most of Oklahoma and North Texas. The light blues on this map indicate areas where we expect 1/2, 3/4 of an inch of rain, maybe over an inch of rain in some locations across the area by the time this all ends on Thursday at noon. But between now and then, we're going to be dealing with some mixed precipitation. This is a graphic showing what we're expecting to happen late tonight, mainly after midnight and into early Wednesday morning. We expect very light rain showers to break out across the area after midnight, and the area you see shaded in yellow, basically just along and south of Interstate 40, that's going to be all in the form of liquid rain. Over in northern Oklahoma, from Woodward over to Ponca City, that's where we're expecting a light wintry mix, maybe a little bit of snow mixed in, some sleet, some rain. Not expecting any significant amounts or any significant travel problems overnight tonight, but still keep an eye on bridges and overpasses for a few slick spots over far northwest and north central Oklahoma late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Most of the precipitation will fall Wednesday and into Wednesday night. Still have the same setup when it comes to the wintry mix being over far northern Oklahoma. Temperatures aren't going to change a lot as we get into the day on Wednesday. High temperatures will kind of be in the 30s, from the low to mid 30s over central and northern Oklahoma, down to the upper 30s to around 40 down along the Red River and into western North Texas. Again, over far northern Oklahoma, that's where we have the best chance of seeing some light accumulations of ice and snow. Not expecting any significant problems during the day tomorrow. That could change on Wednesday night and Thursday. We're expecting the lowest levels of the atmosphere to cool off just a little bit. At the same time, we're going to see some warming several thousand feet above our heads, and that's going to result in some more precipitation falling. And when the temperature structure gets that way, we're expecting a better chance of some sleet and snow further south. That rain-snow line is now pushed down south of the Oklahoma City metro area, roughly from Altus to Seminole, so along and south of Interstate 40, mainly liquid rain and some good beneficial rains in that area. But north of that line, we could see a mixture of sleet and snow overnight Wednesday night and continuing into very early Thursday morning. The current forecast we're looking at indicates we could get quite a bit of sleet in some places, and that's going to make roads kind of messy for the drive late Wednesday night and Thursday morning. As is always the case when we try to forecast winter precipitation here in Oklahoma and North Texas, it's complicated. It's not just rain or snow. It's going to be a mixture, and we're seeing that in the forecast this time. So pay close attention to later forecasts, and certainly if you've got any travel plans Wednesday night and Thursday morning, you're going to want to check back often as we fine-tune this forecast and where that rain-snow line is going to be. The best way to get the most up-to-date information is on our webpage, weather.gov/Norman. That'll be updated continuously through tonight, through the day on Wednesday and Thursday, with the most up-to-date information from the National Weather Service office here in Norman.